Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Apex Legends on PlayStation 5. First, navigate to the PlayStation Store and download the game, which is completely free. Make sure your PlayStation 5 system software is up to date for optimal performance. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth online gameplay. Finally, you will need to create or log into your EA account to ensure all your progress is saved across sessions. Getting comfortable with the controls is key. Your left stick controls movement, while the right stick handles looking and aiming. Pressing X allows you to jump over obstacles, and circle lets you crouch or slide, which is great for dodging enemy fire. L2 is for aiming down your weapon sights, and R2 is your trigger. Remember to tap square to reload and interact with items in the environment. Apex Legends features a wide array of unique legends, each with distinct tactical and ultimate abilities. You'll find different weapons, armor, and healing items scattered throughout the map. Always aim to equip 2 primary weapons that complement your playstyle, and don't forget to pick up grenades for extra firepower. Mastering when and how to use your Legends abilities can turn the tide of any battle. Teamwork is paramount in Apex Legends. Effectively communicate with your 2 squad mates using the intuitive ping system or voice chat to coordinate attacks and share loot. Always prioritize reviving downed allies and respawning eliminated teammates at designated beacons. The main Battle Royale mode pits 20 squads against each other, but you can also enjoy faster-paced action in modes like Mixtape, offering diverse combat experiences.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.